I'm going to show you how to change the site title and tagline in WordPress step by step. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. When the dashboard loads, look down the left menu and click Settings. The Settings submenu opens, click General. That loads the General Settings page, and the first field at the top is Site Title. The site title is the main name of your website. I'm going to replace the default My Website with Tech Tutorials. Click inside the site title field, delete the old text, type your new name. If this is a business or a brand, use the actual name people know, not a long phrase. The field can hold a lot, but the header usually can't, so keep it short enough to read at a glance. Below it is the tagline field. That tagline is the short description that explains what the website is about. Click inside the tagline field. Delete the old tagline. Chances are it says just another WordPress site, and that's the default you want gone. Type a clear one. I'm using simple technology tutorials for beginners. Keep it short enough to read in a header. I'd stay under 10 words because longer taglines get cut off in tight layouts. I would not use vague text like "Welcome to our website" because it tells visitors nothing. Before you scroll, look at the two fields together. Site title is the name, tagline is the description. Don't stuff either with extra keywords. Search engines read these, but keyword stuffed text reads badly to visitors. Now scroll down and click Save Changes. WordPress shows a small confirmation bar at the top of the screen that says Settings Saved. Open your website in a new browser tab. Look at the top of the page. Depending on your theme, the site title appears in the header, and the tagline may sit underneath it. If the tagline isn't visible, that doesn't mean it broke. Some themes hide it from the header, but still use it in the browser tab title and for search engines. Now go back to the WordPress dashboard. Click Appearance in the left menu, then click Customize. The Customizer opens with your site preview on the right. If you use Ocean WP, look in the left panel for Header or Header options. The label depends on your Ocean WP setup. Open that section. Look for anything related to the logo, site title, and tagline. If you see Display Site Title and Tagline, turn it on. That's the setting people miss, and then the header stays blank. Click Publish to save any changes you made here. While you're still in the customizer, click the tablet and phone icons at the bottom. Check how the title and tagline wrap on smaller screens. This catches mobile layout problems before you leave. If you're on a modern block theme, the route is different. Go back to the dashboard. Click Appearance. This time, click Editor. The site editor opens. Click Patterns in the left sidebar. Look for Template Parts. Open the Header Template part. Now you're looking at the actual header layout. Click the Site Title block. Type the name you want displayed inside that block. If there's a Site Tagline block, click it. Edit the tagline the same way. Then click Save. Editing the block changes how the header displays. The settings page we used earlier changes the actual site title and tagline settings. Go back to your website and refresh the page. Check that the new title and tagline appear correctly. Check it on desktop and mobile. If your site title isn't showing, the header is the first place to look. For a classic theme, go to Appearance. Click Customize. Make sure the site title is enabled in the header settings. For a block theme, go back to Appearance. Click Editor. Click Patterns. Open the header. If there's no site title block, click the plus sign. Search for site title. Add it to the header. If your tagline isn't showing, the same logic applies. Your theme may simply not display it. In a block theme, open the header again. Click the plus sign. Search for site tagline. Add it where you want it. You can adjust the font size and spacing from the block toolbar. When you pick your title, keep it short and recognizable. For the tagline, make it explain what the site provides. Don't stuff keywords. Refresh the site after saving if you don't see the change immediately. If this helped, please like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. That comment helps other people find the same step by step.